Good afternoon. I'm coming to you from Rocky Mount, North Carolina. We're here for yet another Amtrak station. It's that time of the week again, folks. You see this building behind me? This is the Rocky Mount Station. We've heard that there's a museum in there. We're going to see if it's open. We don't know. We're going to go check out the whole station, see all of what we can see. I know they're doing a lot of construction over this way. They're redoing their entire platform, it looks like, to update it and modernize it, which is pretty cool. So come along with us. Let's go make some memories. But before we start walking that way, hit that subscribe button, guys. All right, come on.
This is the parking lot for the Rocky Mount Amtrak Station. I love this mural over here against that wall. If you see that mural, you know you're in the right spot. The Amtrak just arrived. They have a lot of construction going on over here. I'm not sure what they're expanding or doing, so it's very hard to get over to see it, but we'll try to get in there. This is historic train. It says Helen P. Gay Rocky Mount Historic Train Station.
It says the museum is open Saturdays 12 to 3 and by appointment.
So there is a museum and it's open 12 to 3 on Saturdays by appointment only. Oh my god, how cold. Oh wow, another beautiful building. Over here to the left, when you come in, is the Railroad Museum. It's obviously closed and dark right now, so you won't be able to see much in there, but it looks like it's nice. Like there's a lot of train knowledge in there. And this is the Twin County Museum Hall of Fame. I said I always wonder what's on the other floors. The Chamber of Commerce. A STEP program. Third floor has Tar River Transit, Health Center, History Society, and House of Prayer and Praise Ministries. Very interesting. Here's the vending machine area. Ooh, Cinnabon cookies. I've never heard those before. Baked with Cinnabon, cinnamon, and cream cheese chips. Those are probably yummy. It's soft baked. That looks good. Never had that. Moon pie. Ooh, I like that this one has different stuff. And then drinks. Energy drinks and sodas. Some juice and water. $2, not bad at all. It's a nice building. The blueprints. Like when they put the history on the walls. How long have these bricks been here? Forever. There's this bell here. It says Atlantic Coastline Railroad Steam Locomotive Bell, circa 1920. It was scrapped in 1950s. Bye bye. Bye.
Doing their whole platform, it looks like.
And the bathrooms are over here, and the elevator too. That's cool to see. Just to the right of the building is the Rocky Mount bus station as well, so that's good to know that that is close by. Now this is a piece of equipment I haven't seen before. Do you guys know what this is used for? Before accessing the platform, the tow bar must either be locked with the brake on or lie within 45 degrees of the cart center line. I wonder what it's used for, because it has doors on top If you know, please let me know. You'll teach me something. Whew. It is so chilly this morning. It's like it's windy. The windy part is what's worst. Worse? Worse. It's so windy. Whew.
Never run across the tracks at all, especially when there's a damn train that's like literally just a couple feet away from you coming full blast. That was stupid.
Yeah.
This is going to wrap up our quick visit here to this beautiful building, this beautiful train station here in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Hopefully you guys enjoyed exploring this one along with us as much as we did. If you like this kind of content, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We post a brand new Amtrak station every single weekend. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you're alerted when we post a new one.